Welcome to another episode of Eternal Combustion. Today we're looking at our mate Fabian's ship, 92 Toyota Celica.
It needed a service and Fabian was uncomfortable driving it without brakes, so we decided to help him out.
We started with replacing the manky old air filter.
Come on. Why? Oh, you just lift it. Oh, I've been trying to fucking pull it to the side. Instead, it took cumulatively, like...
An hour.
Yeah.
Out of direction.
Nah, I looked for that.
Alright.
Now get back in. Why is this so... Why can we not do this right? There we go.
Did you want to start with the easiest part? Alright, replace the air filter.
There we go.
Next we made Fabian crawl underneath this rally monster to drain the oil.
If only I had another joint halfway up my forearm.
I'm telling you now, you made it like difficult for yourself by doing it on your front.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Remember, no
There we
drop.
are.
Let's go, Mario. Because the 2.2 big block was pushing too much power, it blew the gasket right off the head, so a replacement was in order.
No. We have a hammer and we have nails.
That's all the nail gun we need.
You mean these nail gun?
Yeah, whatever you do, don't cut those wires otherwise. Ah, you fucker.
that just fell out.
Oh god.
Oh god, sorry.
Oh god! Be good. Can I have those bolts for the top?
Yeah.
I find. You can look underneath and just oil spilling everywhere.
No.
Yes, launch. Check.
Another side effect of the sheer power of the Celica was that it stripped the thread in the block. One of the studs is stripped on the head side. Are you on your way home back now?
So
So it's not that bad.
no.
So some duct tape will have to do the job in the meantime.
By this point, the oil had drained from the Toyota 2.2 litre twin cam injected powerhouse, so we could finish off the job of replenishing the sweet nectar of lubrication.
I just wipe this through and put the dip finger.
Delicious.
When you're tightening them, hand tight. When you're loosening them, like that might come a bit harder.
Yeah.
You might need a tool, but hand tight as much as you can. You've got mouths. As you would know on this channel, we are masters in the art of servicing, restoring and repairing the brakes of any vehicle, big or small.
As much as we like smashing down on the accelerator pedal at the end of the hill, you do eventually have to depress that middle pedal and come to a stop. And yes, I know exactly what you're thinking.
Why don't you just rip the handbrake and do a sick drift?
And the answer to that is that Fabian's a little bitch and says that you can't skid a front-wheel drive coupe that has 89 horsepower. Alas, we agreed to repair more than just the go fast bits.
Okay? Yeah. Don't let go. Okay.
That's all for today.
See you in 14 months for the next adventure.
Great.